All right, Ron, welcome to Skydive Arizona. How you doing, buddy?
Great, good day to be diving.
Yeah, you're jumping out of an airplane, huh?
I'm going to attempt to.
First time for you, man?
Yes, it is.
Any special occasion?
Birthday.
Your birthday?
Yeah.
Awesome. Happy birthday to you, man. Let's go celebrate in the air.
Okay.
Right on. Have fun. I'll see you up there. Yeah, Ron. Ready for this, man?
I'm ready. Send me up.
Cool.
Ready, sir.
Yeah. All right, guys, here we go. All right, Ron. Welcome back, man. Good job out there, dude. What do you think of that?
That was sensational. I'll be back.
Yeah, right on. Good job, man.
Oh, yeah.
Welcome
Where's
to
my fan club
skydiving.
over there?
Right on.
They're wondering if I made it, I'm sure.
Thank you.